Igbo is the language spoken by the Igbo people.
Igbo people, ndị niile ife Igbo na-amasị, ekene m unu. I welcome you all to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, I welcome you specially. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing and thank you for coming back to learn Igbo with me. Today we're going to be learning the Igbo pronouns. Before the video, my name is Edith, and I will pause for a second for you to kindly subscribe to my channel. If you've not done so, subscribe and press the notification so that you get notified the moment I drop my videos. Remember to also comment, like, and share my videos. Thank you also if you've recommended my video to anyone. I thank you. I do not take it for granted. Thank you so much. So let's go right into the video without much ado. Today we are talking about the Igbo pronouns. Pronouns in Igbo. Just like every other language, the Igbo language has its own pronouns. We have the first person pronoun, the second person pronoun, the third person pronoun, and the impersonal pronouns. Now in this video, you're going to be learning these pronouns, when and how they are used, their plural forms, their possessive forms. Alright, the first person pronoun, singular, is m or m. It's either you just say m or m. M or m. M. That is the singular form of the first person Igbo pronoun. M or m. The plural is ani. Now, m or m could mean me, I, my, mine. When you add nke before the pronoun, it becomes mine, mine. Example, nkem, mine, nkem, mine. We have the plural form of this or mo, ani, we, us, our, or us. That is what ani means. Depending on what you are saying, it could mean any of these. It is not like the English where you are specific. If you're using us, if you're using we, if you're using are, no. We use this singular thing to mean us, we, are. So depending on the context you are using it, it could mean any of those. Now let's go to sentence examples using the first person singular, or mo. Anam eri nri. Anam eri nri. I am eating. Anam eri nri. I am eating. Anam eri nri. I am eating. The plural, anyị na-eri nri. We are eating. Anyị na-eri nri. We are eating. Nye m nri m. Give me my food. Nye m nri m. Give me my food. Nye anyị nri anyị. Give us our food. Now you see it, that the first anyị means us, while the second one means our. Nye anyị, give us. Nri anyị, our food. The same word, different meanings in the same sentence. Nye anyị nri anyị, give us our food. Nri a bụ nke m. This food is mine. Nri a bụ nke m. This food is mine. Nri a bụ nke anyị. Nri a bụ nke anyị. This food is ours. This food is ours. We go to the second person pronoun. The second person pronoun is I or I. Then G. Noun. I or I could be used interchangeably depending on the vowel harmony. In Igbo, there is what we call vowel harmony. I've treated it in one of my videos. I think I will still do a video on that. But for now, just note that I or I, you can use either of them depending on the vowel harmony. But let that not bother you. You can just say I. You can just say I for the sake of speaking Igbo fluently. Just say I. It will just come naturally to you, the one you should use. So don't bother your head about which should I use, which should I not use. So go ahead and use any one you choose at any time you want to use it. Now, I or I means you. You. That is what it means. You. And it could only be at the beginning of a sentence. It can only be at the beginning of a sentence. It cannot be in the middle. It cannot be at the end. Another form of this singular second person Igbo pronoun is ge. It also means you. However, this ge can mean you, your, or yours. Do you understand what I'm saying? Ge could mean you, your, or yours, while I or I means only you. They mean only you. They cannot mean your or yours. The plural form of this pronoun is unu. Unu, you people, unu. Unu could mean you people, that is the plural of you, plural form. When people are many, you say unu. It could mean you, plural. It could mean your, plural. It could mean yours in the plural form. Hope that was clear enough. Okay, let's have some sentence examples. I na-eri nri. I na-eri nri. You are eating. I na-eri nri. You are eating. This is used when you want to talk to somebody directly. You're telling the person that you are eating. So you say, I na-eri nri. You are eating. You can also say, Gị na-eri nri. You are eating. Rie nri gị. Rie nri gị. Rie nri gị. Eat your food. Rie nri gị. Eat your food. Rie nri gị. Eat your food. Nri a bụ nke gị. This food is yours. Nri a bụ nke gị. This food is yours. Nri gị bụ nke a. This is your food. Or your food is this, but basically it's translated, this is your food. The plural form, unu na-eri nri. You people, you guys are eating. You are eating. That is the plural. Unu na-eri nri. You guys are eating. Nri a bụ nke unu. This food is yours. It's for you people. bunye, bute nri unu, bute nri unu, bring your food, bute nri unu, bring your food, you people's food, in the plural. So that is it about the second person Igbo pronoun. The third person Igbo pronoun is O or O. It's either you use O or you use O, depending on the vowel harmony again. But don't bother yourself about it. It will come naturally to you when you want to talk. So another form of this verb is ya. O or O means he or she or it. So we use this one pronoun to mean three things. Or we count them as one because they cannot be used together. You either use this or that. And yeah, they can mean O or O. Let me go first by explaining O or O. O could mean he, she, or it. Three things. And it can only be at the beginning of a sentence. O or O, as the case may be, can only be at the beginning of a sentence. It cannot be in the middle, it cannot be at the end. So it must be at the beginning of a sentence. Now, another form of this, remember this is singular, another form of this is ya. Ya could be anywhere, and it could also be the possessive, it is also the possessive form of this. So ya could mean him, her, his, hers. So then we have the plural form of this third person pronoun. The plural form is ha. Ha. Ha means they, them, their, theirs. Ha, this one word, ha, means they, them, their, or theirs, depending on what you are saying. So anytime you mean to say them or they, you use her. Their, you use her. Theirs, you use nke before her. So we go with the examples. Ọ na-eri nri, he or she or it is eating in the case of an animal. Ọ na-eri nri, he, she is eating. Ọ na-eri nri, he, she is eating. Ọ na-eri osikapa, he, she is eating rice. He or she is eating rice. Osikapa means rice in Igbo. Nri a bụ nke ya. This food is his or hers. Buru nri ya, carry his food or her food. Buru nri ya, carry his or her food. Ha na-eri nri, they are eating. Ha na-eri nri, they are eating. Ha na-eri nri, they are eating. Ha na-eri osikapa, they are eating rice. Ha na-eri osikapa, they are eating rice. Nri a bụ nke ha, this food is theirs. Nri a bụ nke ha, this food is theirs. Anyị na-eche ha, we are waiting for them. Anyị na-eche ha, we are waiting for them. You see now that ha is them here. Anyị na-eche ha. We are waiting for them. So that is it on the third person pronoun. We go over to the impersonal pronouns. We have two of them in Igbo, a and e. How do you know which to use? It depends on the vowel harmony. But I tell you again, do not bother yourself about the vowel harmony because it will naturally come to you. Just open your mouth and it will come out. It's either you use a or e. So what are they used for? You use them when you are spreading rumors. For rumors, when you want to talk about rumors, you use this impersonal pronoun. When you do not know who said a particular thing, you can use the impersonal pronoun. When the identity of the person you are talking about, you don't want people to know, you want to hide the identity of the person, you can use it. So it is used for anonymity. It is used to make a general statement. So you say, eriri nri, someone ate, someone ate. Eriri nri, someone ate. Now, this particular pronoun does not have a plural form. It is just a could mean one person, it could mean thousands of people. So you can say eriri nri, someone ate. Ekwuru okwu, someone spoke. Etiri mkpu, someone shouted. Emere mkpọtụ, someone made a noise. Asị anyị bịa, we were asked to come. Asị anyị bịa, we were asked to come. So this is it on pronouns in Igbo. If you have any question regarding this or regarding anything in Igbo for that matter, just write in the comment section and I will respond to your questions. If you would like me to film about anything, if you would like me to make a video about any topic at all in Igbo, do not hesitate to write in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Que mesịa.